Does system matter? All GMs have an opinion on it. Everyone on the internet, these are just my 2 cents, and you don't have to agree, but here goes. I think it really does matter. Certain RPG systems are much better at encouraging certain behaviors than others. I'll give a concrete example. Combat and violence in games. If you have a system like 5e where my wizard, or let's say my warrior, has 80 hit points and we are strolling down an alley, there are some thugs, they would not be afraid for a second. They just go, there's no way they can one-shot me with 80 hit points, even on a crit. I am safe. I like low magic, dangerous systems, or more realistic ones like the Blade Runners or Call of Cthulhu's, where even when you have hit points left, with an unlucky hit or a wrong roll on a wound table, violence has that chance to always instantly scar me or kill me instantly. So violence and getting into combat with people is brutal. It's life and death stuff. It's never trivialized. My games have violent encounters, but they're a failure state. They stem from a case of the players have made a mistake and now they need to get out. And even if they win, it's regrettable. People are dying. Of course, you might not want that type of game. You want fun escapism. You want to go, I just killed some goblins. Fine. You do you. But this is where I'm saying the system at least matters. Because the systems I pick, I love the idea of like, they go into this alley and they go, this is going to be nasty. Even though we're much better at combat, it's likely bad for the enemies. But it could be bad for us. And we're going to try and avoid it. It makes the game immersive for me. Because I want the players to not go, oh, it's one of 10,000 boars I've farmed, or the, NPC equivalent thugs in an alley. I want I want that grittier, more realistic take on combat and violence in my games. And Call of Cthulhu models that well, Blade Runner models that well, a lot of games where you roll on crit tables or wound tables. And that's why some more popular games, I don't enjoy maybe I'm not a tactical combat guy, but these systems definitely cater for different people and do some aspects of gameplay better. I'm not comparing them. I'm saying those systems do matter in the end for me.